pencil para mapagsakin nila ako! Kung sila akong pagbayaran doon sa ginawa ko sa babaeng yun! Forgive me, Helena! That's right, Mom. I killed Helena, okay? I pushed her down that damn building. Where'd you get this? That's from my house. That's private. Sa tingin mo tatanggapin to sa korte?
Ano pong kailangan mo sa akin? Nung tumawag kayo sa akin kanina, ang sabi niyo may importante kayong sasabihin.
That's right, Mom. I killed Helena, okay? I pushed her down that damn building.
I know the reason why you have been doing all of this. Makukuha mo na ang hustisya para sa ate mo. I'm going to give you a copy of this video. Maaari mong gamitin ebidensya laban kay Eddie.
Bakit niyo ginagawa to? Alam niyo makakasama to sa anak niyo at sa inyo.
I am doing this for him. This is my way of protecting him from himself. Kailangan na niyang harapin lahat ng mga kasalanan niya. I love my son. I love him very much. I don't want to lose him. I would rather that he pay for his crimes. Basta andyan lang siya at buhay.
Maraming salamat po.
Demonyo ka! Malalaman din ang lahat yung katotohanan!
We're done with this. This is done. This is done.
Manuel! Kilala ko siya. Kilala ko siya yung gumawa ng masama kay Helena.
Ano?
Siya yun. Ha? Sinabi sa akin ni Helena, siya yung lalaking gumawa ng masama sa kanya.
Eh, patayin mo na nga yung video.
Hindi, wag. Wag, gusto ko makita. Sino rin? Ako yung anak ko! Diyos ko!
Sunuko ka na! Papatayin ko tong babaeng to. Sige, one step! Step back!
Gino! Ano rin? Yung anak ko! Puntahan natin sila! Hindi pwede nilang saktan si Loren ko! Gino, kasama ba yan sa plano? Lorena! Hindi! Wag! Eddie? Eddie, please! Madam Puero!
Ma'am!
Please, huwag niyo siyang sasaktan. Anak ko yan. Please!
Eddie!
Man! Eddie, please! Ibaba mo yung baril mo, please! Please! What's the matter with you?
All of a sudden, I'm your son now. Why now? What's happening? Ano, bigla ka nalang pupunta dito and then you decided to become my mom after all these years? Buong buhay ko, wala ka naman pakialam sa akin, diba?
That's not true!
Do not lie to me!
Please, Eddie.
You did this. You did this.
Eddie, please. Let's talk. Oh, Eddie.
Nag-usap na tayo noon, di ba? I went to you. I came to you! I told you what she was doing. Sabi ko sa kayo yung si Yaya, meron siyang ginagawa sa akin. Hindi ko maintindihan, pero alam ko hindi siya okay!
I don't remember.
I knew it was wrong. What did you do? You told me to stop making up stories. What does that mean? Sarili kong nanay. Ganun ako ba? Tatawag niya sa akin sinungaling. Do you even remember? Huh? How could you? All you ever did there is just stand there and do nothing. Say nothing.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Si Miss Pilar, naalala mo? Hmm? That's business partner, yeah? She served dinner in the house. I told you what she was doing to me.
I'm sorry.
She was molesting me. You never listen.
I'm sorry.
I asked for help from my own mother. What did she do? Sinumpog niya ako sa sarili kong tatay. Nilaglag niya ako. You know what he's like. You've seen what he does to me.
Eddie, I'm sorry.
Kasi alam mo, yung pabugbog niya, it's nothing. The things that he would say. You know, Eddie, you're a disappointment. You're a disappointment, Eddie. I wish you never had to do this, Eddie. Why do you have to keep ruining my name, Eddie? You shouldn't have been born, Eddie. I wish you were never born, Eddie. What I needed was a mother. You abandoned.
I'm so sorry. Anak.
Nagsanib puwersa ang NBI at Anti-Human Trafficking Task Force para mahuli sa isang entrapment operation si Eddie Imperial ng Imperial Corporation na di umano'y leader ng isang organized sex ring sa bansa. Nabaril si Imperial at maging ang hinostage niyang beauty CEO na si Noreen Alfonso. Buhay naman ang asawa nitong si Velma Imperial. Naresto sa hiwalay na entrapment operations si Police Chief Sixto Cando, kasalukuyang hepe ng pulisya at Regional Court Judge Roger Caballero. Pati ilang politiko na umano'y sangkot sa malawakang illegal underground prostitution ring. Sasampahan ang kasong human trafficking, rape, money laundering at abuse of authority sina Imperial, Chief Sixto at iba pa. Nahaharap din sa kasong murder si Imperial dahil sa pagpatay niya kay Alex Jang, ang Korean businessman na anak ng isa sa kanyang business investor sa Imperial Corp.
Abangan bukas sa Beauty Empire.
Let me guess. Magkaka dito para sa gawin ako. Saktan. Or even better, patayin.
Ay, wala na po si Ate Helena. 7 taon na po siyang patay. Hindi niyo po ba naaalala?
Kailangan mo na papakalma.
Tawa ko na sa hiking trip ka.
Well, na-feel ko kasi na parang may na-iwan ako. Ikaw yata yan?
Sobrang saya ko. Ngayon napatunayan ko, pamilya talaga tayo kahit hindi tayo magkatugo.
Okay,